Hey guys, so I just opened the package as I probably posted earlier, and so I figured might as well try to get started on getting this thing open. And from what I can tell from William's videos, getting this tool into the lock is about 9/10 of the battle, and then the rest you just have to turn it. So I'm just gonna kind of stick it in here and turn it randomly, and we're gonna see what happens. And hopefully I won't break it. So, well, the tool's in the lock, so that's good. I can't get it to turn though. Oh boy. Oh boy. This is going to be a tough one. Alright, so it looks like the tool goes in this way. Alright, nope. Let's see. Okay. Now, try to turn it. Maybe. I'm really not able to turn it once I get it in there. Let's see. Maybe I need to go in this way. Hope I don't break this thing. Alright. I do have the second tool I could try if I had trouble with this one. But if I try flipping it this way. Oh, I was on something. Oh boy, what was that? Alright, let's see. This is my first lever lock, by the way, so quite excited to get to work on this. Oh boy. Oh no. Why is this stuck? Oh no. Oh boy. We're quite stuck in there. Okay. Okay. Didn't break it. Didn't break it. All right. So, William mentioned it's behind the shiny one. I don't know how you guys probably can't see, but there's a bunch of little levers back there. Some of them are shiny. Well, maybe you can kind of see them. I think he said it's behind the shiny one or something like that. So we're just going to stick it in randomly and move it around.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, now I actually feel like I'm on the levers. You guys really probably can't see what I'm doing at all, unfortunately. But I think I'm really on the levers now, because I think I can pretty much see myself going back and forth on each one. But, oh, well, there goes that. But can't really seem to get myself on the right one. Oh. Okay. Cool. We managed to get it. Awesome. Took me about 13 minutes total. I will definitely edit that down because it's pretty much 13 minutes of me just moving this thing around and not saying anything. But yeah. So there we go. That was the Yale lever lock sent to me by William. And William, thank you so much again for sending me my first lever lock. It was truly a pleasure to get open. And I will say this tool definitely was the best one. Because it really was just a lever pick. Once you got in the right way, you could just go along each lever. And that's why I ended up doing. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please like it. Drop a comment down below. Subscribe, hit the bell button. It's all greatly appreciated. Thanks.